Hello and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we're heading back to one of the real stalwarts of the Airfix archive, the Churchill Mk.VII Tank. This kit first rolled into the Airfix range in 1961, at a time when armour modelling was still finding its feet and box art did a lot of the heavy lifting. The version we're looking at here is a 2005 boxing. Though some of you may remember it returning once more as a vintage classic in 2019. Did you build it back then? Let me know in the comments below. The kit is moulded in a very handy green plastic with just a single sprue taking care of the main components. There's also a rubber track, keeping the part count low and the build approachable. It's very much a product of its time, designed to get you from the box to battlefield without too many obstacles along the way. Inside you also find the instruction sheet, which doesn't look too tricky at all, and a lovely period detail, a form to apply for the Airfix Club membership, a reminder of how modelling communities connected long before social media feeds and comment sections. Simple, sturdy and full of history, the Churchill Mk.VII is a small but significant piece of the Airfix story. And if you've enjoyed this trip back through the archive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more retro unboxings.